it's April. I have a little file for you guys. This is your Monday supporter file. This is the a Christmas in July 2022 file for Crafting with April. I'm just peeling off my other side of my liner on my acetate. Now, this is the clear acetate from Cricut. It's got a score down the middle. You're just going to fold it in half. Okay, just to help you. I am going to use red line tape on mine, but you can use whatever you want to use. This file is set up two ways. It's a gift card holder and a treat box, and you can either cut it. I have a really good heavy cardstock here. This is a sheet I had left over from last year. I don't know if it's still available. It's Christmas delivery by Cartabella, and it's heavy. It's probably 100 pound, which is probably overkill, but that's why I'm not putting panels on it. But the file does contain panels if you want to use your 80 pound like red Cricut cardstock and then put a pattern paper over it. Be gorgeous. You can have fun patterns with this. There's just so many things you can do. So we're just going to fold on all of our score lines. And we're going to burnish those if you're using heavy cardstock really well. And we've got a tab here, here. I'm just going down one side here, doing all my tabs and get that out of my way. And then one here. And then we'll go back the other way. Everything is, I'm trying to see my score line here. There we are. Everything is folded away. Now, one thing I will say, when this is in the file, it's laid out like this in Designspace. This section right here, even this is going to be upside down on mine. So, and I have a little guide in there to tell you which direction your image needs to go or which way your wording needs to go. I don't mind. I'm not putting a name or anything on mine. It's just going to be handed out. So I wasn't worried about which direction it went. But that's the only section. This little section right here will be upside down on the back. Everything else will be as seen. Okay. So just so you know, if you're using some pattern papers, things like that, you need to be aware of that, where it's going to cut. Okay. And there are some little tick cuts on the ends here. If yours don't cut all the way through, you can snip those. It should, but mine didn't for some reason. I thought I had it at the end. And that's just to help the box closure. If you want to glue your shut, you don't even have to worry about them. I'm just getting the little tick cut. And those are just going to help the box stay closed, like I said. All right, and then you have another score right here. I have not folded that one there yet. That's where my window is going to go. And then there's one here. Gosh, everything really well with this heavy cardstock. And I have another one. Let's see. Here. Yeah, one more right here. Okay. These are so cute. All right, now I'm going to, before I close this up, do my red line tape. And just gonna place I want my fold to the outside. I'm picking up everything on my desk here. Let's see. I want to go on this edge. Snip that. And I think for the just on the two edges will be plenty. I don't think it needs any more than that. But if you want to go down the sides, feel free. That off this side, and I'm just going to give that a good rub down, make sure it's stuck. Make sure that you peeled off your liner off your acetate before you put your tape on there too. And grab that one. All right, now that's ready to go. And then there's a fold right there in the middle. It'll basically fold itself. So I'm just going to take this with my tape to the inside and just kind of line it up into that crease and press it down. Okay, pretty simple, pretty easy. And now we have a window in there so nothing's going to fall out. Now this piece right here is like a stop to keep the card from going, because this is going to hold 3 candies. This is an old Stampin' Up file. And because we're holding 3 candies in there, we want to make sure that we have that stop glued down in there. If you make the box smaller, you need to be aware of where your card is going to land. Okay, so just make sure that you're aware, where is that card going to land. All right, and let's see, next up, I think I'm going to go with this tab here. I'm just going to put my glue on this tab, and I'm just going to fold it right there where my acetate is. I'm going to fold this back, okay, and then just bring that in right down there. That's all I did was these two. You've got 2 sections here, and I just folded that back so that I could push down on that, because it's hard to get inside the box and make sure everything is pressed down, and that's going to give you a nice crisp box fold right there. Okay, once you have that, then we're going to bring this one in, and we're going to put glue on this tab. And you want to be careful. You don't want too much glue on there. You don't want it to squish out on this edge, simply because your card won't go in. So we're just going to fold. Oops. Make sure you get this stop too. Same thing. You don't. A little bit of glue can come over the edge of that stop. It's not going to hurt anything just to glue it to this. So we're just going to fold that in. You don't want to put glue under this edge like we did the stop, because that's your tray for your gift card. Oh, that came out so cute. I can write a name on there. How cute is that? All right, so now we have our gift card. And actually, guys, I'm going to remove that score line. That doesn't need to be folded. That should not be folded. I'm just going to say that should not be folded there. I may put a tag of some sort on there to strengthen mine. I made a boo-boo. I shouldn't have put that score line there. I'm going to remove that. We don't want to fold there. And you're just going to close that end shut. And if you did your little tick marks, you can push in on those and they should grab. And then we're going to load in our candies. Yes, I will fix that, because I don't want you to fold that and then it be floppy like mine is. And this will hold 3 candies, like I say. Super fun and easy. And then your gift card will go right here. And you can put any decor. You could put a little snowman on the front, anything that you want to do on the front right there. That's going to be super cute. Or you can do the pattern paper like I've done here. So hope you guys enjoy that. I will fix this before I release it to you guys here in a few minutes. And have fun with it. Please post in the group. Let us see what you did with yours. I'll catch you on the next video. Happy crafting, and thank you for your support.